Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Klarna spending limit, also known as purchase power. First, open the Klarna app on your phone or tablet. At the bottom of the screen, tap the profile icon. This will take you to your account page. Look for and tap purchase power. This is where Klarna shows you your estimated spending amount. Follow the prompts and wait a moment. Klarna will display the estimated amount you can spend right now. And that's it. That's how you check your Klarna purchase power. Just remember, this is only an estimate, not a fixed credit limit. It can change based on your payment history and your current balance. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.